Hi, it's Tigo Venturi with the Venturi team in Keller Williams Realty with a market update for the greater Albuquerque area. I've got a bunch of different numbers to go over here, so hang in with me. But first and foremost, I'm going to go over this chart here that we're looking at. I'm going to look down while I do this. So what we have here is the home price index, and goes back to 1978, starting over here, all the way through till the third quarter right now of 2016 is what we're looking at. The big number here is this year to date, our home price index, we're up 4.5%. So 4.5% market appreciation through three quarters. Of course, this is a lagging number, and that's why it always, we're in December now. Obviously, this ended here a few months ago, but it gives us an idea of where we're at. So we've had the best market appreciation this year than you can see here. If we go back to 2006, 2007 was the less time. And good thing is you can see, when the market got overheated in these years, obviously what happened after that. And now we've just seen some nice even gain, this year being the best year we've had in a long time for appreciation. So a couple things. Let me jump to another chart here. This is the other story, more real time, what's going on in our market. The number of homes available, supply versus demand. This chart is, we call it month supply of inventory. It basically, well, not basically, it does. It tracks supply demand ratios. And as you can see, we're at the lowest numbers we've had. So for the entire MLS, we're at 3.8 months supply. Albuquerque is 3.2, and Rio Rancho is 2.8 months supply of inventory. Again, lowest numbers since somewhere here in 2000. You can't see it, my images here, but somewhere in the middle of 2006. A couple other numbers, the pending sales. These are homes that go under contract. The chart we're looking at here is a monthly chart. That's why there's all this, kind of seasonal up and down. However, for this last month, which was of course November, 23% gain in the number of homes that went under contract in November versus November last year. Albuquerque was actually almost 29%, Rio Rancho a little bit less at 9%. The other number I want to show you is the, the closed sales, of course. So closed sales, November, we were up 20% overall, 21.5 Albuquerque, and 18 for Rio Rancho. And you can see the charts here. And let me smooth this out here a little bit, just to give you an idea of the sales, where we're at. I'm going to just smooth this out. So this is actually kind of a year-over-year chart as opposed to month-over-month. And you can see, obviously, we had that run-up back in 2006. This is the number of homes sold. Drop down, and we've been on a nice steady incline. And there's one other number. This is more of an indicator of pricing. This is price per square foot, or average price per square foot, which is similar to the home price index. It kind of tracks the same when you're looking at the numbers for market appreciation. But of course, we had that big run up back in 4, 5, 6, and 7, and peaked out somewhere in the middle of 7. And obviously we had our decline, and ever since in kind of late 2011, we've been on this steady increase, which is nice to see. It's much steadier than this big jump up we had back in the day, and so we like it. I feel strong about the Albuquerque housing market. Of course, jobs and economy affects everything, but honestly, the housing is one of the bigger economic drivers in Albuquerque. I ran some numbers the other day, and in our MLS in the last year, there were $2.7 billion worth of homes that exchanged hands over the last year. So that's a big number and a big driver for our economy here in Albuquerque. So a lot of information there. Let me just one more thing. If you want to look at some market stats, I've got on our website, if you go to our website, welcomehomeabq.com, come over to the market data tab here, or excuse me, menu button. You'll see we have kind of market data sliced and diced in a bunch of different ways. We've got it by city, by different areas in Albuquerque. obviously Albuquerque is so big, I split it up into different parts of Albuquerque, or by zip code, or by very specific areas. These are our MLS areas. And what you get here are different charts for that specific area. So we're looking at near Northeast Heights here, and we've got average prices, median prices, we've got inventory, we've got the absorption rate, which is that month's supply of inventory, as well as the average days on market and other indicators like that. And I didn't show the average days on market, thinking of that, but again, that's best we've had in a long time as well. Lots of information there. Sorry for the long video. Hope it's helpful. If you want information on your specific area, obviously reach out to us. I can put these charts together for your specific neighborhood so you can see what's going on. Thanks so much. Take care.